the hot isostatic press that we'll be launching today will support producers of high-performance metal components across sectors such as aerospace, medical, energy, rail, and mining. I must at the onset express our most sincere gratitude to the Ministry and the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation who provided the investment for this facility through the National Equipment Program. Strategic investments in enabling infrastructure such as the HIP that enhance competitiveness, support industrialization, and accelerate research are essential for strengthening our national system of innovation and supporting the reindustrialization of our country. Funding research, development, and innovation must never be seen as an expense, but it must be viewed as an investment in the future of our country. The mandate of the CSIR is that we undertake directed research and technological innovation to foster industrial development, contribute to building a capable state, and addressing the socio-economic challenges of our time. For 8 decades, we have remained true to this mandate. We have continued and continue to create impact by strengthening our innovation landscape, bolstering industrial development, and enhancing national competitiveness through the work that we do here at the CSIR. 6 years ago, we embarked on a strategic journey, one that sets a clear path for innovation-led industrial development and the contribution that we as a CSIR intend or have made, in fact, over the past 6 years in this regard. Hence, the launch of this facility is directly linked with our strategic direction and posture as an organization, and is very important for several reasons, and here I'll mention just 2. Firstly, it is the first facility of its kind in South Africa. Until now, we did not have an industrial scale capability in the country suitable for processing titanium products and other metal alloys, an essential step in strengthening South Africa's sovereign capability in advanced manufacturing. And secondly, it will enable South African companies to develop metal-based products with enhanced strength and durability. This speaks to the need to increase locally produced components for the rail, mining, automotive, and other industries, for local as well as global markets. For many years, South African manufacturers, researchers, and innovators have had to send parts abroad for heat treatment, leading to delays, higher costs, and reduced global competitiveness. Today, we are very proud to say that we have removed this barrier from the manufacturing sector. As you will see during the tour, this facility is not a standalone capability that we've created within the CSIR. It is part of an expanded, advanced manufacturing ecosystem that we are establishing in the CSIR and, of course, on behalf of our country. We can now produce the metal powder that is used in additive manufacturing via atomization. We have 3D printing capabilities for a range of metals in up to very large scales. We undertake non-destructive testing of metals and specialize in foundry technologies, various techniques for casting, molding, machining, and finishing. These are just few examples of the CSIR's capabilities in advanced manufacturing. The era that we live in today is defined by rapid technological change, and hence our competitive advantage will be significantly influenced by our ability to design, manufacture, and qualify advanced components locally. It is our hope that today's launch of the HIP will serve as a catalyst for new collaborations that will help us address some of the present challenges facing our country, particularly the manufacturing sector. As I close, I would like to acknowledge the various teams who worked tirelessly to make this facility a possibility for the CSIR and for South Africa. Thank you once again for being with us today. Thank you.